Hey, I'm Tami Mazibogo, a 10K guider from Durban, South Africa. I joined Triple M on the 25th of March 2015 with a sum of 300 Rand. On the 15th of March 2016, I withdrew a sum of 1 million to celebrate my 12 months period as a member of Triple M. I'd like to thank all the members who fulfilled my dream by paying me such a huge amount. I also like to thank Serge Mavriodi by designing such a program, and also like to thank God by giving him such a brilliant idea. I also like to thank Yonela, my 10K guider manager, who advertised Triple M on the Facebook, because it's where I saw this program and I joined then. I also like to thank all my team who managed to spread the word of Triple M, because without them I'll not manage to get such a huge amount. Thanks a lot to all members. Together we can change the world. We can fight poverty. Thanks a lot. Long live Triple M. Long live. I thank you.